Coming out to a track and field meet is almost similar to going to a circus. You know, you have everything going on and your eyes are taken here, here, and here. With our new facility, we're going to be able to have everything in the infield, and at the same time there are going to be 3 or 4 different events going on, and so you can kind of pick and choose. It's almost like a buffet of athletics.
I really love representing EMU at meets. One of the most exciting aspects of having a new track facility would just be our ability to then host home meets. So it's one thing to get people to come to a meet that's maybe an hour away. If we had a home meet, then we would have students could show up and cheer for us, have some more Royals pride, getting people to come out.
One of the things that comes up over and over again is the fact that they've never had a chance to exhibit their skills to the EMU community.
Being able to invite, different professors, family, friends from all types of backgrounds to come out here to the track to see track meet, I think would be a really great opportunity for everyone to show their hard work and to bring the community together in a different way.